Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I do appreciate each and every one of you so much, and I just want you to know that. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on May 15th, so you have plenty of time to enter. And you guys, I was so excited to do that giveaway. I can't wait to just give back to one of y'all and let you know how much I truly do appreciate you. So thank you. And as you can see, this is one of my favorite subscriptions. We have our April 2019 FaceTory. For those of you that do not know, FaceTory is a sheet mask subscription. I love it. I try to do my best to stay on track with using a sheet mask at least every other, if not every third day. So quite a few times a week, and I love this subscription. I get the Forever Fresh, which includes 4 sheet masks, and it is $8.90 out the door. So that is fantastic. And I will make sure to put a link down below. If you use that link to sign up, it will actually get you some free masks, which is amazing. So I can't wait to see what April has in store for us. So we are going to dive in here and take a look. Also, just so you know, FaceTory is one of these subscriptions that, depending on when you sign up, is when you will renew. It's not like some subscriptions where it automatically renews on the 1st of every month. It does renew based on the date that you sign up, just a FYI. But let's open this up and take a look at April. They do also offer another subscription, which is their 7 Luxe, where you receive 7 face masks. I do believe that one is about $19, and the value of the masks are a little bit higher. And like I said, you do receive 7 as opposed to 4. For me, the 4 works out great because I do receive sheet mask in other subscriptions. So I stick with that. I love it, and I've never been disappointed. So let's take a look here. They have started doing this, and I think this is super cute. This is Super Fruits for a Super You. So that is super cute. Super Fruits, Super You, super cute. But it's like a little postcard. They have been sending, I want to say this is like the 3rd month or so that I've gotten this. So we have that. And then we have our information sheet that tells us about each of the masks, the retail value, and everything. So I love having this to reference. So let's see. April Forever Fresh. The sky is clear and the flowers are blooming. This month will focus on feeding your skin with the right nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants found in different fruits and botanicals. And then it says how to sheet mask. Step 1, cleanse and tone. Apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes. Remove the mask and lightly pat down any remaining essence. So, yay. All right. So, our very first mask is a FaceTory mask, and it is Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask. Skin in need of a lift? Let's Talk Vitality. This firming mask uses antioxidant-rich Punica granatum fruit extract and moisturizing shea butter to turn a tired complexion into a plump and hydrated one. And the Punica granatum is pomegranate extract. Antioxidant-rich ingredient helps slow down the signs of aging, creating smooth and supple skin. All for it. And shea butter. The skin softening ingredients helps form a protective barrier to seal in moisture. So yay. And the retail price for this is $4. So yay. I love a good firming mask. Tighten it all up. So that was our first one. And then our second one, this looks very interesting. This is from Hello Organic. 1-a-day water mask. Filled with coconut and rose water, this sheet mask will help add water moisture to your skin. It's natural, organic, and vegan. And then we have the key ingredients and benefits are coconut fruit extract. This ingredient will help moisturize your skin and lock in hydration. And then we have rose centifolia, which is a cabbage rose flower water. This therapeutic ingredient will help deliver antioxidants and soothe irritated skin, and it has a naturally lovely aroma. The retail price is $3. So see, with just the first 2 masks, we're already almost at the cost of the subscription, which I think is fantastic. All right, so then we're going to move right along, and this mask is from 24 Miracle. And it is a vitamin facial mask with whole lemon. This mask is great for controlling excess oils and hyperpigmentation. Your skin will be left feeling more invigorated and supple. It has citrus lemon fruit extract, a skin brightening ingredient. Lemon will help clear your skin and lighten up dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And then sodium hyaluronate helps hydrate dry skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and strengthens skin. All of that sounds amazing. And this is a $3 retail value. So we are now obviously over the price point of the subscription. So totally worth it. And I love the variety of sheet mask that FaceTory sends. That is one thing about them that I do always enjoy. You know, they don't send 4 hydrating masks or 4 collagen masks. They send a variety, so you end up having a nice collection depending on what your skin needs. You can pick a different mask. So our final mask is from Moksha. Hope I'm saying that correctly. And it's Deer Avocado. This creamy mask is a great option for a relaxing night in. Doesn't that sound amazing? This sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated and as smooth as velvet. Yes, please. It's got avocado extract, an excellent ingredient to help moisturize your skin and add a protective barrier. And mango fruit extract, packed with nutritional value, this ingredient helps minimize inflammation and rejuvenates your skin. So I'm all about that. Tone it down, calm it down, hydrate it, all of that. Sounds perfect. Retail value is $3. And it also says on here, mango, banana, and lavender. This delicious pleasure-infused sheet mask by Moksha gets glowing skin activated by natural ingredients with fragrant, special mask sheet for better absorption and deeper penetration of essence. Create healthful moistures and smooths and balances skin. So that is our 4th and final mask. So, and then here again we have some tips. Do not leave mask on for over 30 minutes. Use any remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders, which I do all the time because there is always so much extra. Bring it down into your neck, and I sometimes do like my chest, across my collarbone. And then make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. So, those were our 4 masks. Again, we got the avocado mask to help moisturize, help with inflammation, rejuvenate your skin. We got the vitamin lemon mask, which will help to brighten your skin and hydrate. We got the 1-a-day water hydrating mask, and oh, I didn't even see it. It's got a eucalyptus sheet. That's interesting. So this also has the therapeutic ingredient to soothe irritated skin, so that is awesome. And then our very first one was the Vitality Firming Mask. So it will help firm, create smooth and supple skin, and then moisturize as well. So fantastic. So again, I am very pleased with my FaceTory Forever Fresh. I will put a link down below, like I said. If you choose to sign up and use the link, it will get you some free masks on your first month. So yay for that. Again, thank you all so much. Please do leave a comment telling me what you think of these masks and how your day is going. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. And do hit the subscribe button if you have not already. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.